Hey guys, I want to welcome you to my new crib. It was completely burnt. It's a non-existent 4-bedroom home. And this is my new pad. Welcome home. So this is where my living room used to be at. And over there is a non-existent kitchen, but it has a new skylight that we just put in. Over here, and then over here we got asbestos coming off of the roof. It's totally awesome because it's crispy and all it takes is a little flick and then you get cancer. So we acquired another property and I'm proud to say that this burnt home is mine. So I'm gonna walk you through this home. For the most part, we're gonna keep the garage framed. This is our second 40-yard, 10-ton dumpster. I think we're gonna go through like maybe 4 or 5 of these. Some of the exterior looks okay. Look at this chicharron. That's PVC pipe for the AC draining. Oh, look at that. We got a gas stub for your barbecue. The house came with a free vehicle, which we could probably recycle, probably get like 400 bucks out of it, maybe. It's got a nice big yard. It's got cement, you know. We poured some cement here, some cement over there. All this stuff is gonna get picked up. A lot of debris, a lot of tires, a lot of stuff that's gonna get picked up. The fire might have started here. I mean, this is melted, but it could have been melted just from the heat. But then again, there's no fire damage here, so I don't know. Look at all that. We're gonna pretty much remove the roof entirely. Man, I bet you must have been scary for these neighbors. We got like a triplex out here. Imagine this thing like burning up. I don't know if you can see this, but that's like a huge beam and it's like charred. So it must have been really hot. Anyways, we're gonna go through the garage now and into what seems to be the kitchen. So this was the kitchen. Solicito, look at that. That's your own natural skylight. Looks like you had some tile over here. This is probably the kitchen cabinets. Yep. And then across the kitchen, it looks like we have a patio or some sort. Maybe you can put the dogs in here. And here we're going through the hallway. Just check this out, man. Look at the floor. Nothing but drywall and random stuff. We're gonna have to throw all this stuff away. Which, you know, it's not too bad. You're just dumping stuff. Oh, look, you got a walk-in closet. So this must be the master bedroom. We got some burnt canned food, which is weird because this isn't really the pantry. So maybe we had some, what do you call those? People camping out and stuff. And over here you have like a Jack Daniels glass. I don't even want to touch it, but check it out. It's like bloated. Because of the heat caused it to expand. That looks like a bathroom, but we can't even get across. So much debris in the way. There's like a lot of CDs and cassettes. Like, who even has that anymore? Oh, look, there's a collection. And who knows if it's actually, you know, movies. I don't even want to know. So there's another hallway here, and man, there's like a lot of porn in here. I have to install new vents because they're pretty much all shard. So it's pretty much like a brand new start, you know, for the exception of a few studs. It's kind of like a shotgun home because that's the entrance over there and it just shoots all the way straight. So we'll definitely do some new things. It'll be pretty much a rebuild. That's what it is. So it's pretty cool because, you know, we're drafting all the blueprints. We're getting everything ready. Yeah, man, this is a big project. Here's some more shots of the exterior. Exterior looks okay. But we're going to go ahead and resurface that too. Oh, I've always wanted one of these. It's a can crusher. I never bought one because they're too darn expensive. Well, I guess I have to refurbish it now. This place is completely trashed. And so here you go. We finally reached a point where we're not scared of any remodeling. This is probably the worst that it can be. This is pretty much a rebuild. So our team definitely knows what it's doing. So don't be scared about remodeling. We just bought a completely burnt home, and now we're gonna tackle it.